100 years of cannabis prohibition has ruined millions of lives. Now that many countries, including Jamaica, are relaxing their laws around cannabis use, it's providing an opportunity to correct wrongs of the past, earn money, and make cannabis more accessible to healthcare patients. But to increase the chances of this happening, the industry requires specific support systems to drive growth. And that's true for Jamaica and everywhere else in the world. Happy 420 everyone. It's International Cannabis Day, and I've created a quick 3-part series that will clarify how the medical cannabis industry is meant to work and the opportunities for Jamaica. Throughout many cultures, cannabis is seen as a teacher, so it's only fitting I use the anatomy of the plant to explain the industry. Everything starts at the root, which must have certain fundamentals in place to promote industry growth. These include progressive laws, an educated population, and a national strategic plan that outlines the goals for the industry and the path to success. Just as the stem transports nutrients to the rest of the plant, the industry requires policies that feed the growth of the industry. Among these should be policies on cannabis's role in the health sector, product quality assurance, and creating social equity through greater small farmer inclusion. With those policies in place, the industry will begin to show signs of life, just as the sprawling leaves on a sativa plant. With a health policy in place, you can provide safe and natural remedies to treat diseases such as Alzheimer's or cancer. If focus is placed on social equity, then you've laid the foundation for wealth generation for the local farmers as well as the capital investors. And if you develop a rigorous ecosystem that guarantees clean and safe products that meet international standards, it strengthens the reputation of the industry and supports economic gain. So with the fundamentals established at the root, the policies feeding the industry at the stem, and the leaves generating growth, you can now produce the flower. And for the cannabis industry, that is economic development with social empowerment. That's the ultimate goal. In parts 2 and 3, I'll explore the opportunities for Jamaica and some of the steps that can help us get there. Happy 420 everyone.